friends, how are you? I'm ready for the day. I've been ready. I got up at 6, showered, and now I'm baking a vanilla cake because we still have leftover ingredients for the tres leches. And I looked and nothing's expired, so I'm like, well, I'm going to make tres leches cake at 7 in the morning because we have Sharon, Steve, Jessica's family for dinner, and I'm watching my nephew all day. He's going to be dropped off in the morning. I asked Jessica if I could just watch him at my house instead of driving to hers, because you know I'd be falling asleep on the wheel because of my medication. Oh, and I decided to get off that medication because it's just not working for me. Even the lower dosage knocked me out all the way, and I can't function like that. I really cannot function. Like, I feel like the 200 milligrams was like so strong. Even 100 milligrams is way too strong for my body to handle. I can't do it. And so I was chatting with Susan on the phone, and she's all like, acupuncture. You do acupuncture for everything else. Like, it helped my Bell's palsy. It helped my vertigo. So I'm going to go the natural route and just do acupuncture. And a lot of you guys said black cohosh helps for night sweats. I had the worst night sweats last night. It was terrible. But yeah, I'm going to try both. You know what? I kind of just want to try acupuncture first, and that's it. I don't want to try herbs and stuff yet. Yeah. You want to say hi, my handsome?
Hello, good morning, everyone. Happy Monday.
Tell them about how we're going to
Watch the baby all day, and
You got a dentist appointment, though.
I do. I looked at my calendar. I was like, wait, I have a dentist appointment.
It's okay. I'm the one that volunteered to watch him. You go ahead and make that money for us. Go ahead. You do that.
Yeah. You're already kicking up a storm.
Yeah. When I joke around about that, it's just silly. You know I be working too. He do be making more than me, a lot more than me now. But that was the other way around for like a decade for me. But I like it. I'm in my soft life era. Actually, I'm not. I'm in my sweaty life era. My hot flash era. Honey, I was saying I was in my soft life era, and I was like, you're right. I'm in my sweaty life era. It's okay. No, but for real. Like, I still have the AC around the house. I have the AC to 70 at night. So the other day when my boys were making eggs, they burnt my plastic organizer because it was too close to the heat. You know, they have to learn. But yeah, they burnt it, so I had to get a new one because you know me. I like my fridge a certain way. Actually, I like my home a certain way. I like my home organized and clean. It can't be that way all the time, but look how cute. And it's a 2-pack, so I have 2 of these guys. I like it. I actually like this one because it's like closed. But I like the other one because like I could just grab the eggs. I don't have to like lift the top. It's all good. I got this during the Prime sale. I'm washing Justin's CPAP. I put like his CPAP cleanser in here, and then I have the water going through the tube so that it gets nice and clean. And then the small parts I have in a little bowl, and then I rinse that off too, like in this bowl. If I don't remind him, girl, we won't do it. The only thing I ask of him is to bring it down, and then I'll clean it for him. Justin dropped off the kids so I can finish off the stuff I was doing. The cake is almost ready. It has 5 minutes. I'm peeling all the eggs for the angel eggs, and they'll be here in maybe 15 minutes. Sometimes I wonder, like, why do I try so hard, like hosting and stuff? Like, they're fine with whatever we have. Like, I was gonna just Oliver, these are not chores, baby. Yeah, I was gonna say, like, I'm sure they were fine with just brownies, because I am gonna do the box brownies.
Wow.
Hey, handsome. Look at me and my caribou.
Hey, you kitty.
I know. I couldn't tell him to get off because I had my gloves on and I'm peeling eggs. Come show her, handsome baby. Come show her, handsome. He's so cute.
He loves when I do his neck like this. You know, it's so crazy. This is what I used to do with Charlie when he was a kitten. And I think that's, oh, he loves it.
The thing is, something about him is very Charlie coded. Don't you agree,
Charlie
honey?
Energy.
It's giving Charlie coded, but like lover boy sunrise.
Yeah.
I don't know why. It's the weirdest thing. He looks like both of them. You know? I find that so odd. Our house smells like rotten eggs now. It's not rotten, is it? You know that smell. Look at all his toys. This we got for him. The rest Mama brought it. Bubby brought it. Those are some cool cars. Yes, buddy. I see them. That one? Yes. Little dude likes the lunch his mama packed him. I gave him a piece of my pancit though. I hope that's okay. Is that Nami? Hello. I'm not gonna talk too loud because baby is napping. I just put him down. I kind of lost track of time. I got the text from Jessica that his nap is 11, but it's 11:40. We were just having too much fun playing. And then I noticed he started like getting frustrated with his toys, and I was like, oh, it's nap time. And so I checked the time and I'm like, oops, it's way past your nap time, that's why. But anyways, now that he's napping, I'm gonna work on the angel eggs. Justin went to his dentist appointment right now. And then when he gets back, he has to start working on the pizza dough so it can rise on time, because the family's gonna come around like 5:30. So yeah, it's a nice day. I like hanging out with my nephew. He's a lot of fun. He's just, it was so cute. I was blowing on his food because it was kind of hot, and he copied me and he was like, and it was so adorable the way he was blowing. And I was like, oh, and he learned how to feed the squirrels. But I saw that a bunch of blue jays have been enjoying the food too, and they've been loud. And I'm like, y'all, we didn't feed you guys to be loud. Get your food and keep it running, like keep it flying. I mean, they're so cute. I think they're just saying thank you, but it's like, y'all can say that when the baby's awake though, not when he's sleeping, okay? I remember Steve's favorite pizza is Hawaiian, like pineapple Canadian bacon, so I DoorDash some ingredients so that he can have that. And I got baby some milk so that Jessica can keep like her little containers of milk. And then I got soy milk for my babies. And then our tradition with Sophia is she always gets a muffin when she leaves, so I got 2 kinds. And then, ooh, where is that Canadian bacon and pineapple? Because that's what I needed the most. Okay, thank goodness we got it. I got the bacon and the pineapples. Baby helped me with the brownies. He did the mixing and he even put the oil in here. He's so good. This is just a Ghirardelli brownies. The whole family loves it. I also made tres leches just because I had like the leftover ingredients. The appetizers, I made angel eggs. I have the video on TikTok and only TikTok because I was working with Kraft on that video. And then we got brownies and the tres leches cake. Where'd my handsome go?
Oh,
he
sorry.
was making the pizza.
Didn't know I was being called.
Yeah.
We're having 4 pizzas today. Cheese, pepperoni, Canadian bacon and pineapple, and a new veggie one that I'm trying.
Ooh, that looks good. Thank you so much. Yeah. Go, Jakey. He's blowing it away. That's a fun chore.
Pizza oven is that you have it on really high to get it super hot, like around 750, 800. And then right when you put the pizza in, you turn it down to low. So I'm gonna turn it down to low, and then I've got some semolina on here to make it all nice and thin, and then I just put it in, and this thing will cook probably in like 90 seconds.
Okay, let us know.
See already?
I do see the cheese bubbling a little bit.
So I'm already gonna turn it a little.
The kids made this one. Pepperoni. That's the veggie one. Hello friends, do you see my setup over there? That's my new filming setup for my cooking videos. Yeah, so it's been 2 days later and I'm editing the vlog, and I noticed I never really end my vlogs, and so I always show up here and film a little something. Yeah, do you see how, like, I don't know if you notice, I get really happy when I'm around my nephew. He's the reason why we moved, to be 1,000,000% honest. It was, I believe, 4th of July. We visited, Jessica was pregnant. I know I told you guys this, but I saw a lot of comments in the previous video. Jessica was pregnant. We went on a dinner date with her. It was at Kim's. It was a Korean restaurant. It closed, unfortunately. It was really good. And she mentioned, she was like, oh, it would be so great if you guys lived close, because she was having a new baby and she has Sophia and the cousins could grow up. Jacob and Sophia are literally like less than 2 weeks apart. I think like 11 days apart. Like they're like this. They're close. They're always together. They're always getting into things together. You know, and even though our nephew is so much younger than all of them, they roughhouse, and it's so adorable. Like yesterday, or no, the 2 days ago when they came for dinner, oh my gosh, I said, dang, little dude can hang. He's out there like hanging with them. But yeah, that's definitely why we moved. Hey honey, you ready to be my taste tester?
Yes, oh my god, I'm so
hungry.
hungry.
Okay. Yeah, so yeah, I made spinach dip.
I can't wait.
Yeah. Anyways, I was just sharing why we moved here. Like, you know, those are things I need to remind myself. But I definitely want to move when the kids are grown and have their own kids. I want to be the grandma that lives close so that I can help them. Like Sharon, you know, Sharon's always there for us, and especially Jessica, because they're like literally neighbors. Anyways, I will see you friends next time. Bye.